Amid the coronavirus pandemic in India, the chorus to ban Chinese products in the country is seemingly growing, from TikTok to other tech products.
This video is in support of the ongoing campaign to boycott Chinese products. Our intention is not to spread hate towards the Chinese nationals who are already suffering under the communist rule, but we are against the norms of the Chinese government.
Let's talk about the Chinese dominance in the Indian market and what does the data show. China is one of India's leading trade partners and constitutes 9% of India's total export and 18% of total merchandise imports. Now looking into the data of 2019. As per the authorities, in the first week of 2019, India's import from China was a whopping $74.72 billion, an increase of 2.1% to the previous year. India's export to China was a meager $17.95 billion, a decrease of 0.2%. The trade deficit between the two countries was about $56.77 billion. The dependence of the Indian people on the goods and products supplied by the Chinese companies is increasing exponentially every year. Talking about smartphones in the year 2019, of the 158 million smartphone units made available in the Indian market, around 114 million or 72% were Chinese brands. Also, Chinese mobile apps like TikTok, PUBG, UC Browser and ShareIt are among the most downloaded and used mobile apps in India. Further, brands like Lenovo and Huawei are already reigning in the computer section, with Xiaomi stepping in this section very soon. In the electronic market segment, we have the presence of TCL, Haier and TP-Link. So, if we look at the market altogether, at every nook and corner, we have the infiltration of the Chinese brands. Even the companies who don't seem to be Chinese are owned by them, like automobile giants MG and Volvo. You all might have heard regarding the recent tensions on the Indo-Chinese border. As the whole world is facing the coronavirus pandemic, China is busy strengthening its military presence around these borders. China is using this tactic on multiple fronts. In Ladakh, the Chinese troops are directly confronting the Indian military. Ongoing friction echoes 2017's serious confrontation in Doklam, which lasted for 72 days. The problem does not end here. China even includes parts of Arunachal Pradesh within its boundaries and considers Arunachal Pradesh as part of Tibet, which it occupied in 1951. China also supports Pakistan's stance on Kashmir against India. It supplies a range of equipments to the Pakistani Defence Forces and shares close military relations with them. Further, China is not only having land dispute issues with India, but wants to annex other neighboring countries as well. China feels that by showing aggressive military dominance, it can make India kneel under its pressure. But they are not aware that we Indians, who are known for their core values, who are known for respecting and accepting all sections of people, can also take a lead in fighting oppressors like China, a country governed by power-hungry politicians who are just concerned about expanding its borders. It's high time that all the countries joined hands and stopped the dragon from spreading its wings.
130 करोड़ देशवासियों का आत्मनिर्भर भारत का संकल्प, भारत की संकल्प शक्ति ऐसी है कि भारत आत्मनिर्भर बन सकता है।
भारत की बुलेट पावर से भी ज्यादा वॉलेट पावर काम आएगी।
For every device we use, for every app we have in our phones, more often than not, we have an alternative available. But we still are busy helping these Chinese brands. This has led to the disappearance of many of our Indian companies who couldn't survive the onslaught of the Chinese brands. If you ponder over this for a minute, you will realize that you wasted your hard-earned money for a product that was of low quality and indirectly funded a country which is not fond of us and is targeting our economy and our borders. It would have been better If we would have resisted that impulsive shopping behavior on buying these inferior quality products and spend that amount on helping our domestic players. So let us pledge our support to our fellow Indians by buying our domestic products and helping our economy. You may feel that what major impact can we have? But we are a family of more than 1.38 billion Indians who are known for their strong willpower. So let our enemies know that if we decide on anything, we can surely make it happen.